I'm Ashlyn Childs, and this is my Bulldog story. I always seem to be the black sheep of the family. My mother was amazingly supportive over any little big thing that I decided to do. I grew up as the baby. I was the toddler being held while we ran to my sister's dance recitals, and we went to my brother's hockey games. And so I definitely think that when I decided to come to Ferris for welding engineering, it was rather a shock. I was encouraged to do things that my brother and sister had never done before. Welding actually was kind of something that I tried on a whim. And I tried it when I was in middle school for a 2-week camp, and I never thought it would lead me here. I thought it was going to be a cool little, I'd figure out how to make some things, tinker with some electricity, and that'd be it. But I decided I really enjoyed it, and if I wanted to go in a career that I was able to find a stable job that I enjoyed, it'd be welding. Ferris actually is one of the schools that is known for going into welding theory. Ferris really decides to go very deep into the engineering aspects, which is what I strive for and what I really enjoy. I've been on a production line before, and being in a factory 12 hours a day is not something that suits me. And I really enjoy doing something different and doing something new. And being able to come to Ferris and see more of the business side of welding is phenomenal, and that's why I chose Ferris State. I've been swimming my entire life, and at first it was indoor competitive. Once I was out of high school, I realized that swimming could offer me a lot more than just being in a competitive in-ground pool. So I started doing open water swims. And then I decided I like biking, I like running, why not try triathlons? So now for the past 3 years, I've been tinkering in about 5 or 6 triathlons every summer. And I think being athletic and being on different teams and seeing other people and how they decide to be successful within themselves, I think showed me an array of ideas that I could do to become better. As a female welder, one of the biggest challenges is sexism. And it's not necessarily the intentional sexism, it's the unintentional. It is when male or even female colleague will say something that they don't realize can be misconstrued. I'm a unique individual in the field, and being unique, one could take it as a setback, that I have more obstacles to overcome, but by overcoming those obstacles, I've learned how to be successful. And if I deal with the occasional sexism, or I deal with the occasional blow to my ego, that's okay. It's all right, because eventually when I am out in the field, I will know how to move past those things and be able to never let it affect me. So if I can move towards solving sexism in the engineering community, I think that'd be an amazing goal to strive for. And at the moment, that is what I'm striving for. Being able to stand apart from the crowd is phenomenal. If you can use that to your benefit, that's amazing. That's all you can ask for. And non-traditional students actually have the leg up. And if they can prove it, then they're gonna succeed. Especially if they work hard and put in the work, they have that leg up and they'll be able to stand out. And I think that's pretty phenomenal.